back to Crafty Vlogmas. It's time to pick today's project from the box. So I'm not going to look. I have no idea what I'm picking. What have I got today? A metal tree decoration. I'm going to be using recycled metal from the inside of a tomato paste tube. So let's see if I can, I know I have some somewhere, so let's see if I can find it. Today's material is also a sustainable one. It's from a tube of tomato paste, and when I finished it, I just cut it open, gave it a good wash, and then revealed the lovely metal inside. It's really soft and pliable, so you can do lots with it. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to just smooth it out a little bit, because as I was using it, I saw that it was getting a bit wrinkled. I'm using, in a really crazy way, an old Yuzawa card. If you're in Japan, you will know what the significance of this is. It's a very famous craft shop. Okay, so I'm just going to flatten it out as much as I can. There are inevitable wrinkles in here that I just can't get out, but that's okay. Okay, so you see, it's as flat as it'll go, and on the back I'm going to draw a little pattern. So this is the decoration. It's a bit smaller than I would have liked, but this is all I have, so I'm using what I have. I'm hoping to make maybe 3 decorations, maybe more. So the plan is to make a design and stick it on each side of these wooden blanks, and all I need to do now is just make some circles a little bit smaller than my wooden blanks, so I'm thinking this one will be fine. And then I'm just going to make some, I'm doing it on the back so that you can't see it. There you go, so I can make 4. Right, so now I'm going to cut these out. Just like that. Please be careful when you're cutting these out because these bits are really, really sharp, super sharp. Please ignore my nail varnish today. I was just testing something on my nail. Okay, so this bit I think I can use to pop on a card or something later on. I don't need that for now. But what I'm going to do next is I've got a silicone sheet. I'm hoping this is going to be springy enough. Is that a word? Springy? And I'm going to draw on the opposite side. I'm going to draw some Christmassy things. I don't think I'll get the sticker off, so will I? Or maybe a little bit. There we go. It's just the ingredient sticker that's stuck over when it's in Japan. So I'm going to draw on the back some kind of Christmassy thing. I'll probably do a star to start with. Something really easy. I'm going to try with a chopstick first. I've sharpened this chopstick. I do have a tool somewhere, but I can't find it. So I think this will be fine. And I'm going to go and make an indentation with my chopstick into the star. And then I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to make it a little bit more wow. This is a funky looking star. Okay, so like this. And then I might do some little dots. Might do a bit more in my star. And there you have it. A little 3D star, which I'm then going to glue onto this and make a decoration. Only another few to go. Let's go. I'm hoping that Bondi is going to work. Let's just try it first. I'm just going to put on the strings first. So I hope it's going to work. Let's see. Alright, so this, and then probably need a bit more Bondo. Can you see what I'm doing? Put some more Bondo on in the middle. Top of there. And then I'm going to squish on my design. Now how I'm going to hold these in place is I'm going to clip them in a minute when I've got everything glued on. Or I might put them somewhere super heavy. Okay, so I'm going to put something heavy on them, and then I'll see you in the morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.